Hi everyone, my name is Anna. I am from Medicine Hat. I am going to be doing all my online schooling from Medicine Hat this semester. Um, I currently am in the education program at the college, and I have the hopes within the next 4 to 5 years of becoming a teacher. I would want to become more specifically an elementary school teacher. I find younger grades are a little bit more fun. Um, so for my online learning experience has been a bit of a roller coaster. Um, I find it hard to find time. I'm a bit of a procrastinator and put a lot of stuff off if we don't have specific class times. But it's also allowed me to grow as an individual and really focus on not procrastinating and getting my work caught up and ahead. Um, After reading the syllabus, I am quite interested in this class because I find it interesting to learn about parts of the world that I may not have much knowledge on. Papua New Guinea would be one of those places that I don't have a whole lot of knowledge on, and I'm all for learning about different parts of the world and opening my eyes up to a broader awareness. I'm also quite excited to take this course because I had Dr. Hamilton last semester and I really enjoyed the aesthetics and experience class that he taught last semester. So I'm quite excited to learn. Um, but when looking at life in a modern society, to me, what seems good is the opportunities we have for schooling. If you look around the world, we're clearly able to see that many people don't have the same opportunities as we do for schooling. If I lived in, say, the United States personally, I probably wouldn't be able to go to college because I wouldn't be able to afford it unless somehow I would get loans or something like that. But here in Canada, I am able to easily get Alberta and federal loans to go to school, and I know not everybody here is able to get that, but it's a great opportunity. And something that seems bad to me would be how money hungry lots of people are. Um, Lots of people explain money as money makes the world go round. You think of anything and everything, like I just explained with education, we have to have money to do that. So money, in my mind, we're so driven by money that I would call it bad. Um, but I am really excited to be in this course, and I that is all I have to say. Thanks.